Hello everyone, we're here at my channel segment Ask Me and I'll try to answer. Our question for today is how to edit your description of your channel. Here are the steps on how to edit your channel description. Number 1, go to your YouTube channel. Number 2, select your channel. Number 3, on your YouTube channel, choose Edit Channel. Number 4, click the edit icon on the right side of the screen. Number 5, start typing or editing your description. Number 6, the last one, press the check icon at the upper right corner of the screen to save it. Now, let's check the edited description. To check your edited description, just go home to your main channel if you got computer, or else just go to About and you will see that the description is edited. So I got number 2 in the description now. So that's how I edit my description. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe and click the bell of notification. Bye, see you then.